Hey everyone, welcome back to BigBrains chip. Today we are solving Asteroid Collision, a medium level problem using a stack. The idea is simple. Asteroids move in a different direction and whenever two of them collide, the smaller one gets destroyed. So here, each number represents an asteroid. A positive number moves to the right and a negative number moves to the left. When two asteroids are moving towards each other, they collide. The asteroid with a smaller absolute value gets destroyed. If they are the same size, both are destroyed. So now here's an important observation. Two asteroids don't always collide. A collision only happens when a positive asteroid is moving right and a negative asteroid is moving left. In other words, they have to be moving towards each other. So how do we keep track of the asteroids that are still alive? So we'll be using a stack. The stack represents the asteroids that have survived so far. We process the asteroids from the left to right. If there is no collision, we simply put the asteroid into the stack. Now, when we reach a negative 5, the top of our stack is positive 10. So these two are moving towards each other, meaning they will collide. Since 10 is larger than 5, so the negative 5 gets destroyed. We simply don't add it to the stack. But what if the incoming asteroid is bigger? Suppose the current asteroid is negative 15. Now 15 destroys 10. So we pop 10 from the stack. But we're not done yet. The 15 is still moving left, so it could collide with the next asteroid in the stack. So 15 also destroys 5, so we pop 5 as well. Now nothing is left to collide, so the negative 15 survives and gets pushed into the stack. There is one more case. If both asteroids have the same size, they destroy each other. So we pop the existing asteroid and we also don't add the incoming one. So whenever the current asteroid is negative and the top of the stack is positive, we have a collision. If the stack asteroid is smaller, we pop it and continue checking. If the current asteroid is smaller, the current asteroid is destroyed. So if they are equal, both are destroyed. But notice something important. If the top of the stack is already negative, there is no collision. They both are moving left. The same is true when the current asteroid is positive. It can simply be added to the stack because it's moving right. So we process each asteroid from left to right. Whenever a collision is possible, we keep resolving it until the current asteroid is destroyed or there are no more asteroids to collide with. If it survives, we push it onto the stack. Now we can start solving the problem. Initially, I'm creating a variable called stack and it just holds an empty list. And now I'm having a simple for loop for in asteroids. I'm just initializing a variable called alive equals true, and when the asteroid is alive and also while I remains less than 0 and the stack is not null, along with if the stack top is greater than 0, then I'm doing another check. If stack top is less than the negative of asteroid, here we are having it as I, so negative of I. I'm just popping the stack dot pop off. Or in the other case, if the stack top equals the negative of I, then it should be popping it again, and alive has to be changed to false. Now the final case, alive equals false, and after the loop, if the alive is still true, I just have to stack dot append whatever is in I, and that must work. Now I just have to return the stack. Let's see. Yes, it did. Perfect. So the key idea is only a right moving asteroid and a left moving asteroid can collide. Use the stack to keep the surviving asteroids, and whenever a collision happens, keep popping until the collision is resolved. And that's GYP 14. Don't memorize DSA, recognize it.